Hello, I'm Melissa Castellanos with Halo Creative Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple hand bow. We're going to start with 2.5 inch one-sided ribbon. So that means we have a pretty side and we have a non-printed side. We're going to measure out 14 inches and gather it in your fingers. So we're going to pinch it together. Kind of straighten it up at the pinch. And you're going to lay that pinch on a start measuring mark and measure out another 14 inches. And you will bring that to the back and then squish it in, kind of cinch it in with the other piece. Straighten your loop. And then as you see, because it's one-sided ribbon, the yucky side's up. So we're going to twist and bring that pretty side to the top. Simple as that. Then put your pinch on your measuring or starting measuring mark, measure 14, bring that to the back, and then cinch it in to your fingers. Then twist to twist the pretty side to the top. Just like that. Go ahead and roll out a little excess. It just makes it easier to make your bow. Measure out another 14 inches. Bring it to the back. Cinch it in. Straighten your loop if it got a little messed up. Make sure you twist that tail to bring your pretty side up. We've made 3 loops. We're going to make a 4th loop and coming off the side. As you see, I'm forming the bow as I go. So I bring that 4th one to where I pointed, cinch it in, and twist that pretty side to the top. If you lose your grip on it a little bit, just kind of use your other hand, regather it, and then start again. Measure out your next 14 inches, bring it to the back, and cinch it in. And see, I brought it to the right side of that last loop, so I'm forming the bow as I go. Straightening the loops, twisting the pretty side of that tail to the top. Again, if you lose it, just gather it back in your fingers and keep going. Measure out your last loop here at 14 inches, bring it to the back, gather, twist the pretty side to the top. Straighten your loops. This isn't very stiff wired ribbon that I'm using. It is wired, but it's not very stiff, so it kind of bends and folds as I'm forming this, and it's okay. You can straighten it once you have it cinched and pinched between your fingers. So then you cut a long tail, and you're going to take a pipe cleaner, a matching pipe cleaner, so it blends in. Run it around the center, bring the ends to the back, and then you're going to tighten it by twisting your bow. Just like that. Twist your bow. And then hold on to your stems, and then you can form your bow. And I go down to, the base there, and I twist and I turn and I put my whole hand in the loop, and I move them around. I give it life, I give it body. Then you're going to dovetail your ends. So fold it in half and cut from the folded edge down to the tip. That creates a V detail called the dovetail, and it's a finishing touch for the ends of your ribbon. And then I follow the natural curve of the ribbon and just give it a little twist. Gives it some life and body and movement in those tails, just like that. And there you have it. You have a beautiful 6-loop hand bow. Thanks for watching. Click down below to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn how to make bows or other home decor, find me at halocreativedesigns.com.